If you're looking for how to delete Beehiiv, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can permanently delete your Beehiiv account the right way. I'll also show you the important cleanup steps you need to do first, because Beehiiv will not let you delete your account if you still own a workspace or have connected domains. If this video helps, please take a second to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're inside, take a moment to check everything that's connected to your account. Before you delete anything, you want to make sure there are no custom domains still attached to your publications or website. If you have any domains connected, remove them first. This is an important step because leaving a domain connected can block the deletion process or create issues later if you want to reuse it somewhere else. Next, you need to deal with any workspaces you own. Beehiiv will not allow account deletion while you still own a workspace, so this part is very important. If you own multiple workspaces, you'll need to delete them or transfer ownership to another account before you continue. Make sure there are no remaining workspaces tied to your profile. If you skip this step, the delete account option may not work the way you expect. Now, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the Beehiiv dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Account Security. This is where Beehiiv keeps the account level settings, including the option to permanently delete your account. Once you're on the account security page, look carefully for any prompts that mention your workspace settings. If Beehiiv prompts you with a message that says, "Take me to my workspace settings," click it. That will take you directly to the area where you can remove any remaining workspaces. Again, this is a required step if you still own one. Remove everything that needs to be cleared out, then return back to the account security section once you're done. Now you should be able to see the delete account option. Click delete account. Beehiiv will ask you to confirm this action, so type delete into the confirmation field exactly as shown. This is the platform's way of making sure you really want to continue, since this action is permanent. After typing delete, click continue. Beehiiv will then show you a final warning message. Read it carefully so you understand that your account will be permanently deleted and that this cannot be undone. If you're completely sure, click confirm. And that's it. Your Beehiiv account will now be permanently deleted. Just remember, once this is done, you won't be able to recover the account, so make sure you've saved anything important before confirming. If this video saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.